Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron po tayong physics question na nanggagaling sa unang hirit na tinanong ang mga taga-Philippine Science High School. At ang kinuha ko yung difficult round. And here's the question. Gaano kataas ang aabutin ng isang 5 kilo na bola kung hinagis mo ito mula sa lupa at binigyan ito ng initial velocity na 20 meters per second? Ang acceleration nito due to gravity ay negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay? So, bale, based sa tanong dito, there's no time included. At the same time, ang ginamit na acceleration ay constant, which is the gravity. So, bale, dito papasok ang kinematic equation, which is velocity squared is equal to the initial velocity squared plus 2a, the constant acceleration, and s. Ang s po, ang other term niya ay height. So baka magtaka kayo, bakit po hindi included dito sa formula ang mass, which is ito, yung 5 kilograms. Kasi regardless kung gaano kabigat ang isang object, iisa lamang po ang acceleration ng gravity. Puwera na lang kung may kasamang air resistance sa tanong na ito. Eh since wala naman, ito ang gagamitin nating equation. Para ma-solve natin ito, we will substitute all of this. So, itong V, ito ang the highest point. Kumbaga, kung hinagis ang bola sa pinakatuktok, mag-stop siya for an instant. Kapag nag-stop siya, yung momentum niya ay magiging 0 meters per second. Itong U, which is the initial velocity, ayan po, that is 20 meters per second. Then, itong A, which is the constant acceleration, that will be negative 8 meters per second squared. Ito po ang hinahanap. Kasi, gaano kataas ang aabutin ng isang 5 kilo na bola. So, bali, height ang hahanapin natin. So, susundin natin ang equation ng kinematics, which is S will be equal to the velocity squared minus initial velocity squared divided by 2a. So, what we're going to do now? Okay, we will substitute. So, this will be S will be equal 0 squared minus 20 squared divided by 2 by negative 9.8. Okay? So, what is 20 squared? Very good. That will be 400. So, this will be S is equal to 0 minus 400 over 2 times negative 9.8. Okay, that's negative 19.6. So, if you're about to subtract 0 sa negative 400, this will be negative 400. We will divide. Kapag ang sign ay like signs, magiging positive ang magiging sagot nito. Okay, so let's disregard this one. So, we will divide 400 sa 19.6. Bale, sa tanong na ito, ang hinahanap lamang ang first decimal place. So, for this question, will be 20.4 meters. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.